I'm getting so fucking pissed. Why the fuck is it we pay for high-speed internet that we can't fucking use? Nah, it's bullshit. These psychotic child molesting faggots from the NSA, they commit felonies against me every day. And every day, every passing day, they commit more crimes against me than they did the previous day before. And they've been doing this for fucking years. You see this right here? You see how they type 2 on my keypad? That means they're lying about me going out of state when I'm not. Yeah, that's what they're blocking my video. They want to lie about what state I'm in, and they're blocking all of my videos from posting. 1 minute long videos and 2 minute long videos are taking 5 and 6 hours to post and shit. This is like entrapment, but 100,000 times more illegal. blocking my videos from posting for fucking hours. Yeah, I posted that video at noon. Yeah, that video right there. You see this one video? I posted that at fucking noon. Yeah, I posted these videos at noon. Still nowhere near close to being fucking posted. Yes, ma'am. Hey, could you contact your local police? Your local cops are friends with federal agents that I record harassing me every day. My name is Travis Shane Fletcher. These federal agents are hackers and they harass me in my own home every day. They hack my Wi-Fi box. They hack my electronics. They help human traffickers that use my stolen identity.
I'm gonna get you off my 911 line so I'm not tying it up. Give me just 1 second, okay?
All right, bet. Hey, man, listen, you got a real bad fucking police corruption problem here. It's fucking bullshit. You got fucking federal agents harassing fucking people in your city with human traffickers and shit like that every fucking day. It's fucking psychotic, bro.
Communications, how may I help you?
My hair is thinning, and in some places it's falling out completely. I see ads all day promising.
Get off my screen, you disgusting fucking tranny bitch. You just type U on my keypad. Bruh. Illegal censoring. See, and that's like human rights violations on behalf of the moderators. I can't comment on my own videos, right? Like, what? What? Because you want to fuck? What? I can't comment or fucking message people because you want to enact illegal entrapment tactics and you want to lie about what state I'm in and commit a bunch of felonies against me. This whole fucking group of people needs to go to fucking prison. Bruh, you have got to be fucking kidding me. Won't stop fucking hacking my fucking Wi-Fi box and shit. This fucking bullshit, bro.